Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the best AI upscaler to improve image quality. So I have tried out multiple upscalers and tried to upscale multiple images using them. But out of them, two of them have stood out from the rest. One is Upscale and the other is Pixel Cut. Now in order to get Upscale, you will have to get the application of Upscale from the website. In order to do that, first of all, open up your browser. Then in the browser, type in Upscale. Make sure that the spellings are correct. After that, just go to the website. Now once you're here, click on this download button right here to install the installer for the Upscale desktop app. Now in order to access the other one, the Pixel Cut, you will have to just simply go to the website and use it. For that purpose, open up a new tab and type in here Pixel Cut. Hit enter. Now from there, go to the website. Now once you're at the website, you will have three options right here. Select Image Upscaler. And after that, you will be at the simple interface right here. Now in order to pick a clear-cut winner between them, I have got myself three low quality pictures that we're going to upscale using both of them, and then we're going to compare the results and we'll try to find out the winner. First, let's go for the number one. I'm going to upscale it using Upscale, and then we'll go to Pixel Cut, and then we're going to compare the results. Now once the application has been opened, minimize it and drag and drop the picture that you want to upscale in Upscale. Now in the step 2, you will have to select a model for upscaling. You can try out all these other models, but I will just leave it at this one, the first one right here. Now from this bar right here, you're gonna select the upscale times, like how many times it will be upscaled, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times. And if you click on this double upscale button, it will double the amount. For example, if it's 10 right now, it will move it up to 20 times. I will not go for double upscale. I will just leave it at 10. You can go higher or lower depending upon your system specifications. Now the third step is to select the output folder. Just click on it and select the folder where you want the upscaled images to be stored. Now the thing is that Pixel Cut only allows you to upscale your images up to 2 times, whereas with Upscale you can go up to 16 times. Now to make it a bit fair, I will move my cursor to 2 times so that it is a fair comparison, whereas Upscale has the plus point that it can upscale up to 16 times, which is a lot more than what Pixel Cut offers. And after you're done with the settings, just click on Upscale. So this image has been upscaled. Now just move to the second image. Just drag and drop it in the upscale. You will have to adjust your settings again. Just scroll down and click on Upscale. We've gotten our second picture upscale as well. Let's just go for the third. Just minimize it. Drag third picture and drop it right here. Do the same with the settings again and click on Upscale. So my third picture has also been upscaled. Now let's move to the Pixel Cut AI. Now once you're at Pixel Cut's website, just click on Upload Image, or you can also do the drag and drop. Just select the file and go for the first one, this one right here. Just click on Open. So here I have gotten my upscaled image. I'm just gonna download it. So my first picture has been done. Let's just do the second one. I'm just gonna drag and drop this time. Just drag it and just drop it here. My second picture has also been upscaled. I'm just gonna download it as well. After the second picture has also been downloaded, let's just move to the third picture. Just drag it and drop it in here. So this one has also been upscaled. Let's just download it and compare the results. So here I've got the results. These are from pixel cut while these are from upscale. Let me just compare them. So here are the two pictures side by side. This one is from pixel cut and this one is from upscale. Well, there isn't really much of a difference. I guess we'll call it a tie as both did a great job in upscaling the pictures. So here are the two results side by side. This is from pixel cut and this is from upscale. And I think that upscale did a better job than pixel cut on this picture. Because as you can see in pixel cut, the eyes are a bit blurry, whereas they are a bit well defined by upscale. And as you can see, the face as a whole is blurry by pixel cut, whereas there is some amount of detail provided by upscale. And keep in mind that upscale can go up to 16 times, whereas pixel cut just provides 2x, and you can go up to 4x if you have a paid plan. So here is the last upscale image by both. This one is from pixel cut and this one is from the upscale. And again, it's a tie for me because both the pictures look familiar and it's very hard to find any differences between the two. So after the comparison, I think upscale comes out on top solely on the second picture right here because pixel cut did not do a good job on the second picture. But also keeping in mind the fact that upscale provides you with upscaling up to 16 times and that is free. Whereas pixel cut just provides you 2x on free plan, whereas if you pay, you can upscale it to 4 times. So I think we have a clear winner here, and that is upscale, providing that it's free and provides much better results than pixel cut. So there you guys have it. That was the best AI to upscale your images. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.